welcome to another property tour. I have 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom villa behind me that is absolutely stunning. We are in Lagos, Ferrel, a countryside, but only 5 minutes to Praia da Luz, about 10 minutes to Lagos. We have Boa Vista Golf Course about 7 minutes from here. Stunning Lagos Marina, just a stone's throw. There's a lot of activities you can do, like hiking, biking, enjoying the nature. Everything is here. The Faro airport is about 1 hour away, and Lisbon is about 2 hours, if you want some culture and entertainment. This property was built in 2007 to the highest standard. The size of this property is 636 square meters of built area, which is absolutely amazing for this area. And the total size of land is 33,000 square meters. So in terms of architecture, this is traditional Portuguese living with a whiff of modern design. Current owners spend no expense to keep it up to date, thus energetic certificate is quite high. Triple high ceiling make this property absolutely humongous and feeling very, very spacious. Of course, the plot of land with its own borehole of 33 square thousand meters gives you a freedom of options here. You can do gardening, cultivating, you can do horses, whatever you like. So, welcome inside. Let me explain you more or less how this property flows. As soon as we drive in, we're welcomed by the very large garage with the ground floor 2 bedrooms, both en suite. Then we have a little staircase that takes you into the beautiful conservatory that you can use in the winter and in the summer as your outside kitchen, barbecue, and little laundry area. After that, we have the grand entrance into the property that leads us to this marvelous chef's kitchen that floats into the dining area and the living space with 2 humongous fireplaces. Afterwards, we have a corridor with 3 more bedrooms. One is a master suite, which takes quarter of this property, including the walk-in closet at the side of this kitchen. And then we have 2 more guest bedrooms en suite as well, plus a little service bathroom down the corridor. Everything is meticulously designed to make outside and inside living floating between 2 spaces, giving it a lot of sunshine and a lot of freedom in terms of how you use this space. So, some of the features that property possesses, and of course the standard, despite the fact it's been built in 2008, it comes with underfloor heating throughout. We have air conditioning for cooling and dehumidifying. We have a surround system throughout the property that is very easily converted into the smart house without extra drilling. Now, in terms of the exterior, we have heated pool, we have jacuzzi, irrigated garden, we have septic tank with the 3 stages, which practically never need to be emptied, and we have a borehole for free water. So in general, this property, although being slightly remote, it's almost self-sustaining, which is of course what everybody is looking for these days. So, this is it. Thank you for taking this video tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And of course, the 2 main selling points of this property will be the privacy and size. This property is absolutely amazing. It is huge. It's not too far away from every local amenities, everything that you would need these days. So, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.